My people, una good afternoon. I greet all my people, my brown chocolate people. My name is Ofure Osanobiwa. I am a child of the soil. I am African. I have never been on Facebook before. I have been in Europe for 15 years now. I'm not a social media type. But now that I have got a message from the Most High, and this message have to get to all the children of the Most High, so that we all will know the truth, and the truth will set us free. That's why I have come, both in abroad and in Africa. I pray by the Almighty, He will give us the strength to receive this message wherever we are. It's not one day message. It's very long. I will be coming time to time to make videos like this, to express it until it gets to all my people's hand, and we will find the peace and the joy of the message, so we could continue on our life. So, to start with, first and foremost, the message is good news. It's a transformation that will change the nation from this sorrow and pain that we have today to joy and peace. I speak English, good one a little bit, then Pidgin English and Edo language. I will mix them together. If you did not understand the first one, you will understand the second one. If you did not understand the second one, you will understand the third one. And anyone where you understand, take share this message like this. If you even see people that doesn't understand none of these three and you dey understand, you interpret the message, give them, because everybody need them. So na it be that thing, my people. I have come. We are in 4, 2 women and 2 men in this message. This is just the first time that I'm raising it. So as I said earlier, I introduce myself as a true child, true son of the soil, because say we Africans, we are one. We are one and not two. I want inside this message wey I carry now for the talk so. The Most High tell me say make I tell una say differences and discrimination we put am for inside dustbin. We are one and not two. We must throw away all those boundaries. Awu wuni nore ote Africa ya fe. All the boundaries that are in the land of Africa, we must put them in the dustbin and see ourselves as one, because we have to join hands together to raise Africa. That's why I introduce myself as a child of the soil. I am not from a specific place. I'm not from a specific place of the land, but I am an African, a child of the soil. All of you are my brothers and my sister, no matter where you come from. Any language may you like, may you speak. We are all the children of the Most High. And our belle, na dey born us dey come. So my people, that is the first introduction. The second one, na this black race, black people. We are not black. We are brown people, or you call us chocolate. We are beautiful in complex. The best color on earth so far, na be this our color. This photo, this my boy, you see as e be. This one na chocolate, dark chocolate color. E no get wetin take resemble black. This one is the same thing. This is chocolate or brown. It doesn't look like black. I myself, do I look like black? Let me introduce black to you people. This is black. Look at this cloth. This is black. Who do ever waka see say na so we be for color? E no dey. So anybody wey wan follow me enter this kingdom of the Most High, where only peace and joy dey dwell, we go start now to dey call ourselves say we are brown people or chocolate people and not black. Black wey dey wear us is a representative of something. The Most High say I should tell you people. Black means negativity. Everything that is negativity, that is black. And we have to pull that cloth wey dey wear us, first put am for dustbin first. That one go dey one side. So my people, na all those things, all these things na make me come. We go join hands together, learn, know the truth. Because when you know where something is coming from, that is where you can handle it. When you don't know a trace of something, to get rid of it or to handle it will ever be a problem. Na be wetin dey happen to us today. I will take the message gently, step by step, until I finish am. Today, wetin I want wey we talk about out of this message is that there is no condemnation for us, for anybody. This one that we use our mouth to tear ourselves, to separate ourselves, to make differences because of various boundaries and languages that we speak. That thing first and foremost have to be correct. We are not enemies. We are friends and one in the Most High God. No matter which religion you dey into, Christian religion, Muslim religion, traditional religion or whatsoever, only one Most High na everybody dey call. And we are all dear to him or to her. Because he is our Lord and he loves all of us. No soul he hates. So we as the human being, we have no right to use our mouth tear ourselves. That one is one side. Second step, he say make I tell una say Africa will surely rise. As for those wey believe say Africa own don finish, Africa will shine like a morning star. Africa will be the new paradise that is coming, he said. The sorrow and pains that occupy the land of Africa today, we shall see no more. He will replace it with joy and peace as you follow me in this mission. What we need is the truth. Emata. We only need to know the truth so that the truth will set us free. What is so mighty before man is so small in the presence of the Almighty. We have to know that with her, everything is possible. There is nothing he cannot do. If he's turning the situation around this morning, he has turned it. He is the King of justice. He sees all our pain, wherever we are, hidden or not hidden. Anyway, we are supplicating for this justice. He sees us and knows our pain, and he has come for us. Africa shall live again, he said, I should tell my people. And now he go do am. And he go stand by our side, and he go stand for our back. The world go see Africa dey rise, and he go rise to the level where he say we go rise reach. Because many of our people, they now believe that we are gone. It has become a tradition. Now so it go be. Now lie no be so it be. And it's not a tradition. Don't forget, they used to be the war powers. Abi how they talk am. Africa. It used to be one and only where the whole world they come they search for food and mineral resources. So the person that do it then will do it again. There is nothing he cannot do. Or you think that person is not living anymore. So we have the chance, my people. We will live. We will rise. And we will shine. Now see me see you crow. It go happen. No man can stop it. The hour has come. Now the message now carry. I go teach you now. It's a living word. It's the teaching of His Majesty. It's not philosophy. It's not a confusion. It's a clear message. You go hear and you go know am, and the thing go set you free. It's a living word. You will receive the word, and your life will be transformed. Which stage and position are you that you think that all is finished? Hey, I'm 35, I'm 40, I never build house, I never marry, I never born pikin. Hey, my own don finish, I no get money. Who say so? My dear, you have all your time in the presence of the Almighty. You are a child, a little child for His hand. Throw away age for pube and receive the message. Throw away age for dustbin. Throw away age for inside dirty. Follow this my message. You go see and say, wetin you dey die for? Wetin you dey worry for? All those things are nothing before the Most High. My brother, my sister, everything that troubles you, they all have solution. And you have time to have it in 1,000 forms and in 100 forms. Are you in abroad? You say you no meet your group or your mates. Who say so? Are you in Nigeria? You say your mate don marry finish, or you no dey see daily bread food they eat. Who say so? The hour has come. You go see food chop, you go tire. Now children you want born, you go see them. Now husband they go many. You go even make choice. The best of all, the best man you go marry. The best kiss you go born. The best house you go live put. The best motor you go ride. In this message, is full of joy and peace. There is no sorrow. There is no pain. He has come to supply us all our desire. My people, I want me una calm down, carry barrel and paper, take dey follow me for this message. As I give it to you, even if it's once a week, I never know how the program go take dey arrange, but this is just the first time now. I will be giving it once a week, maybe. Anyone wey I give you, e go dey sufficient wey go carry you reach the other message wey I go give you again. As you dey follow am, you go dey comot for inside that darkness wey you dey enter inside light. Na im make me I first say to start with, refuse to call yourself black. This is a symbol of negativity, pains and sorrow in our life. Start from that place. If you don't refuse to call yourself black, the second step, keep your hands clean. Stay away from dirty. Stay away from wetin Oyibo people call sin, iniquity. Stay away from it. As time goes on, I will explain wetin be iniquity, wetin be sin, wetin be dirty. If you no dey refuse all those things, you don start to dey make the sacrifice. Your joy and your peace go start to dey come to you. Dey knock for your door. Dem go dey shower for your house. You no go know wetin dem dey call pain again. You no go know wetin dem dey call sorrow again. Na so, my sister, my brother, throway hatred, throway discrimination, throway that one na Yoruba, that one na Hausa, that one na Fulani, that one na Ishan, that one na Bini, that one na Igbo, that one, this one people, the other one people, the other one people. See them as your brothers and your sister, first and foremost. Make it be say sweat wey dey come out for your body, na sweat of love. If you don't remove this black shirt, wear white one. Call yourself a white image. May you dey see the goodness of the Most High for your life. Call for love. If you don't know am, follow this my message. I will teach you what is love. Now that shirt, now you need for your life. Once you wear that shirt, now there you go know say no weapon fashioned against you can prosper. Now automatic. You no need to cast. You no need to band. Automatic. All this black and everything where they follow and they go, they'll start to they run for you. You go become white. How many people talking? They say urupagare ebiebile. In English, they say when the light shines, the darkness will disappear. You don't need to cast and band down. Now how they go take run for you, my people? That shirt, the spiritual side of it, now be calling yourself, your image, washing yourself to become white. Anything wey no good, no let them see you for there. All those things wey no good, now be dirty, now be sin, now be iniquities. People matter, discrimination, jealousy, gossiping, wetin no concern you, wetin your eye no reach, you go dey talk am. Na all those things, na be black, na be dirty, na be nwe. Na dey smell bad odor, alu, na them, and na dey destroy us. Na that thing dey kill us. Na dey make us dey old. Na dey make us dey black. We go come dark. We go dey call ourselves black people. Na lie, we not black. Look at me. I am not black. As this message dey pour, they not be too I be. I not find this like this before. As this message, this anointing, as they pour, they enter my body. As I dey wash myself, now they come out from my skin. You don't see my skin? No see am. If you look this my skin, look people wey yellow, you go see the difference. Because those people wey yellow, that their black instinct, that their inside wey dark because of sin, you go see they come out for their yellow. Get as their yellow they be. They will be like people wey dey sick. If you don't dey lis ten to this message, you go not see the difference wey go dey come out for your color. Now you go take dey confirm my message. We have to stay away from dirtiness. Physically and inside the spoken word. Before you go come out, they appear for body, for your house. Your house go full for dirty. You no go fit clean, everywhere go dirty for your house. Before you go, they come out for physical like that. Now inside your body for the day. If your body don't full, now you go come out for your house. The one way they inside, now you feel clean. That one way they inside, now make us they call ourselves black people. Because inside of us, we are dark. We go fair put that one. Before you go start to follow this road that will lead you to heaven, where there is nothing but joy and peace. First, love. Love. It's only love that will help you. If you love person, you no go fit judge against them. You cannot judge against that person when you love. When you love someone, you cannot gossip against the person. You cannot bear false witness against the person. You cannot condemn the person because you love that person. So that's why the first and foremost, number one, jot down for your Bible, for your paper. First shirt to wear, na love. Our one. May you love person, your people, your friends, anywhere they are from, love them. If you feel wear that shirt, the arrow, the weapon of the Most High way follow am, not be one, not be two. Now automatic. If you don't love person, that person say make it harm you. Now the gun wey dey inside that white shirt, now go dey shoot them. You no need to cast am bad. That is a secret. Casting a bandit are nothing but dead thing. You know they work. Anytime when you take the cast a band, once in a while you come see and say be like say something still happen. You go know say na the mercies of the Almighty. Not because say na you, na because say you dey cast a band. He just want look you save you because you no merit am. Because you dey smell for where the Most High dey because of the dirtiness that is in you. First and foremost is love. It will help you to conquer many sins. Stay away from people. You no get how the person go dey close to you reach. If you don't dey bring that gossip. Hey, you know hear wetin happen. Hey, they say. Tell am say make you hold am. If you no want be your friend, make they go. Social media. People they do video, you go put whether the video na real, whether na fake or you don't know. Wetin dey that person belle, you know. You go just enter. You go dey talk. You go dey curse. You go dey comment. There is something very important I want to tell you. That message, not be today I go talk that one. Maybe that one go be my next message. How to use our hand, create enemies for ourselves. After we go come dey cast about, say may God kill our enemy for us. I will bring that topic next. How to create enemy. How we take they get enemy. Now we dey find them, not be then they find us. If you don't find enemy not go find you. That is a secret. E dey for Bible. I go explain now with the teaching of His Majesty so that you go know say how you take they use your hand to create enemy for yourself. Not be enemy they find you. If you wear your white garment, when your inside is white, enemy no go fit pass your arena. If you dey for community, you wear this white shirt while they talk, this which is love. Your protection now under that your umbrella. Now all the people wey dey that area go there, because evil no go fit pass that area. Because that shirt wey you wear, ogigba shuku shuku, na e be. If you trespass, e go shook you. My people, the Most High is lovely. If you know am, you no need to cast abandon. The wetin you go take gouge you, na him go dey save you 24 hours. Purification. Clean. Cleanliness. Wetin dey talk? How dey talk am for Bible? Cleanliness is close to what? Godliness. When you go wear that shirt go clean, go dey white. You go know say na God himself na him dey inside you. Who wan trespass? That person drink ogogoro. My people, you know say as I dey smile, I dey laugh because it is well with me. Because as I dey, I be light, moonlight, sunshine, sunset. Na I be. If I dey appear, the other one dey disappear. If you say enemy, na human being. If you say friend, na human being. Na we be enemies, na we be friends. I go explain all this thing give una. E no dey another place. Spirituality, I go explain am give una. How all these things dey work. Say na see me see you krokro. E no dey another place, my people. By the time you will know, you go dey follow this my message, know all these things. When you are through with it, you will not see the goodness, the light of the Most High. You go see say wetin sweet reach I know dey. Where you go dey live, you go live in peace. All those fear wey dey kill you dey go. All of them go fly away. All those things wey dey make you dey cry, where they go take vanish, you no go know. Those things wey dey give you reflect action, problems wey you get. Na woman you be, never marry, never born pikin, na be your problem. Na woman you be, you dey for Europe, you no get document, never build house, na be your problem. Na wetin you be, whatever you be, na Nigeria you be, you wan go school, no money for school, you want many all those things wey we dey think, wey dey make us dey old before our time. All of them go no go know where dem pass because na inside this black na dey.